Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, we're going to prepare a chocolate marble cheesecake. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion. These are the ingredients for the cheesecake. Preparatory step: preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method: grease and line a large 8-inch loose-bottomed or spring-form baking tin with grease-proof or parchment paper. You can also line the sides of the baking tin to make it easier to release the cheesecake. Now crush the digestive biscuits to a breadcrumb consistency. Now let's prepare the cheesecake. So add the crushed digestive biscuits and melted butter to a mixing bowl and mix well. Now evenly press the biscuit mix into the bottom of the prepared baking tin. Then refrigerate the baking tin to set. Now let us melt the chocolate. So melt the chocolate in the microwave for 1 minute. Then remove from the microwave and stir continuously. Now microwave for a further 30 seconds. Then remove and stir continuously until the chocolate is smooth and silky. Then set aside to cool. You can also melt the chocolate in a double boiler. Now add the cream cheese to a large mixing bowl and whisk to soften slightly. Now add in the sugar and whisk until smooth. Add in the eggs one at a time and whisk. Add in the vanilla extract and continue to whisk. Now spoon the mixture equally between the two bowls. Add the melted chocolate to one of the bowls. Make sure the chocolate is cool at room temperature. Then spoon the two mixtures over the biscuit base, alternate between the chocolate and the vanilla mixture. Level the top and use the chopstick to swirl the mixture. Then bake in the oven for 30 minutes or until the edges are set, but the middle is still soft. After it has baked, turn the oven off but leave the cheesecake inside the oven to cool down to room temperature. Once the cheesecake has cooled down, remove from the oven, then cover with cling film and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours to chill. Once chilled, remove from the fridge, loosen the sides and release from the baking tin. As mentioned earlier, you can also line the sides of the baking tin to make it easier to release the cheesecake. Now pipe decorative patterns over the top with Nutella or melted chocolate. This is an optional step. We are about to prepare the whipped cream. So add the double cream, sugar and vanilla extract to a mixing bowl. Then whisk until soft peaks form. Apply Nutella to the sides of a piping bag that has been fitted with a star tip nozzle. Then spoon the whipped cream that we had prepared into the same piping bag to create a swirl chocolate pattern when piped. Now pipe cream rosettes around the cheesecake. Gently squash a Malteser into the top of each rosette. And finish off by sprinkling chocolate sprinkles over the top. You can use your creativity to decorate this cake as you wish. Then cut into wedges and transfer onto a serving plate. As mentioned before, it's the perfect dessert for any occasion. And there you have it, a perfect dessert for any occasion, a chocolate marble cheesecake. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.